How to create fake Instagram account without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a fake Instagram account without a phone number. So then, to begin with, check your internet connection and then update your application. After updating it, open up your Instagram application. As you can see, this is how the interface is going to look like. So I have three different accounts. So in order to sign up a fake account, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the sign up button. Now you'll be asked to select a username and click on the next tab. After you're done setting a username, click on the next button. Now you'll be asked to create a password. So type in a password. Here you'll be asked to complete sign up. So you can also add a new phone number or an email address, or else you can just go ahead and tap on complete sign up. If you want to add your phone number or maybe an email address, go ahead and tap on add email or phone number. Here you'll be asked to provide in your phone number, but instead of your phone number you'll be providing your email address. And click on the next tab. Once you're done entering your email address, you'll be asked to provide in the email address that will be sent through an email. So open up your email. After you're done entering the code, click on the next button. Now the email address has been confirmed as well as verified. So here you'll be asked whether you want to get suggested on Facebook or not. If you don't want to do it, so click on the next. Here you'll be asked whether you want to make it public or private. Now go ahead and select either one of it and click on the button. If you want to add a profile, or then you'll need to tap on add profile, or if you don't want to do it, so then click on. Now you can go ahead and follow any of these celebrity and all that. After that, click on the arrow icon, and here you go, that the account has been successfully created. So that is basically how you can create a fake Instagram account without phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.